Junkyard special. It's even got a windshield. It's screwed up there. We're gonna have to take that off. Not too bad. Got a broken tie rod. This is an older one. Let's see. Oh yeah, 8s. She a 48er. Yamaha. Looks like a 300 amp controller. Yep. Alright, that's cool. I don't know what the heck they were towing with this thing. They got like a legit hitch on this sucker. Does it move? Oh yeah, look at that. Reverse don't work? Oh yeah, it does. Alright. Oh, maybe we can pick it up with the forklift and not destroy this tie rod end. Be nice. Yeah, maybe we can just drive it out. I have to try to find a charger for that guy. Let's see what we got here. We got 236s, a 24. What is this one? Somebody cut the cords off it, but doesn't say on it. Should be 36. All right, go check my other hoard. 36 on that one. What's this one? Uh, 24. I got some more buried back here. That one's 36. We might be screwed on the 48s. I must have sold my last 48 because that's probably another 36. It ain't got no wires in it anyway. I don't think I got any more hiding anywhere. I do have this guy in here. I guess we're going to have to drag this out, this behemoth. Jeez. Good old 6 to 72 volt. This thing chooches too, man. I'm sure we'll be able to charge it up with that. That guy works. Been working since the 50s. Well, we got the old tombstone out. See if we can 72. There you go. 8 amps. You can probably throw 12 at it, huh? Do not charge in the red. Alright. Well, we'll let that thing charge up for a while. See if we can come up with a way to fix this tie rod end here in the shade. It actually broke both ends off, unfortunately. The other end is salvageable probably if we unbolt it. See it? That side's still good, just the rod broke. This side actually broke the end of it. That's going to be an issue. At least it didn't break the steering or anything. Alright, let's go see if we got some parts to try to fix this thing with. Maybe we can cobble something on there. Seems like they all got water in them, so see a date anywhere on the... Oh, here we go. 2012. Yeesh. 12 years old. Nope. Charger just kicked off. We probably can't throw 12 volts at, or 12 amps at it. We'll bump it down to 8 amps. There we go. We'll bump it down for a little while. Let it eat. All right. Well. Well, would you look at that? Just look at that. I don't think this quad's going anywhere anytime soon, huh? I might have to shorten it a little bit, but shortening is better than lengthening. I guess we're pulling that off of there because I don't want to spend 50 bucks on this thing off Amazon, that's for sure. I don't think this quad's going anywhere anytime soon, huh? Not by the looks of it, huh? Also got this old Kawasaki here. This actually looks more closer to the same length, but wow, it's really close. But I think I'm just going to take the one off the other one because this is still a complete machine. It does run. We stole the tires off it for another project, but I guess we'll steal it off the junk one down back. See what we can do. Well, we got this. It looks like the bolts are roughly the same size. These ones might be tapered, but we'll jam them on there. It'll be alright. I don't think these ones are tapered. They're just captured in the hole. But it looks like we need to shorten this one by like maybe an inch. So I'll probably cut an inch out of the middle of it. Try to break these loose so they're adjustable. And, you know, maybe we'll go 1.25 inches or so because we have some adjustment in and out with these, it looks like, as long as they come loose. So I guess we'll get that and then throw this thing in there and take her for a spin. It's actually hollow. Maybe we can just jam a bolt in there, huh? A piece of rod or something, maybe. So much for this white shirt, huh? I think this one's fun. Yeah. We sacrificed the end of a drill bit, but maybe that'll last us a little while until the kids hit a tree stump or something, right? Whoever breaks it's buying a brand new one for $50. Well, we got the tie rod end on there. Wheel looks pretty straight. This thing is kind of like a red-headed stepchild for some reason. Dust cap's missing on the rim, plus the cap's missing. I'm not sure that this is a factory hoop for a Yamaha. It might be because there's no side holes for the reinforcement on a club car. This is definitely a club car roof. This is off an Easy Go. The seat back. All this is not right. Even down here's cut. And they welded the Easy Go stuff on here. These are Yamaha. But I don't know what this is off of. Probably pieces of the Yamaha. These uprights are not factory. Somebody made them out of steel. See, you can tell. But mostly it's a Yamaha. But it looks like the roof was missing and they put a roof and a windshield on it. But hey, we can look past all that if she's got a good sole, right? I don't know what's up with the hitch or what kind of work it was doing, but let's see if this thing will run for any length of time. Oh, what are we running over? It's just the rim hitting the trailer, I guess. Oh, it's got regen. Sweet. That's awesome. Oh, we might have to keep this bad boy, man. This thing with a lithium pack in it will throw you right out of it. That windshield's got to go. Even the roof just doesn't feel right. Oh, man. These batteries are hit. It's moving, though. So can you get a cheap golf cart? Possibly. Possibly. Brakes actually work. I like the regen, too. I guess it don't kick in unless you're at top speed. Oh, you hear it coming on. See, the regen's good because it'll stop the cart from rolling down the hill into the lake when you're on the course. Oh, there you go. Can you get a $250 golf cart? Possibly. I would say maybe. Is it going to come with a $200 charger? Probably not. If you're lucky, you'll get $150 worth of core batteries with it. But either way, you should shake it. All the years I've been messing with these things, man, you're really not going to touch a decent golf cart for under around $1,200 to $1,500 is going to be the bottom, because it's going to cost $800 to put batteries in it. Now we've found those lithium fly rower batteries, which there's probably enough room under here to get 4 of them in there. 48 volt configuration. You might have to redo the battery tray a little bit, but I think we could get 4 of them in there. It's still going to cost you $800 for those. And then you're going to be running 4 7-amp chargers off of one cord, or multiple cords at that point. I mean, I don't think it would be an issue, but seems like it steers all right. I guess we'll take it for a smooth ride. This windshield's got to go. This thing is like a sail, just slowing us down. All right, y'all, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Oh, there's the regen. I wonder if you got to hit the brake a little bit to get it to work. I guess it only works when it's coasting down the hill. Keep it out of the lake, right? Like I was saying. See you guys on the next one. I don't know. This thing just, I guess because I'm used to the lithium packs now, this thing just feels like a turd. But we are on like 12-year-old battery packs, so it's pretty crazy that it even moves at all. It's actually going pretty good for being that old. We'll see you guys on the next one. Hit that thumbs up. share the video. Later.